The melting face theory. Look at your face in the mirror. Is your jawline sharp? Or is your chin slowly melting backwards into your neck? Most people think a weak chin is just bad luck or bad genetics. Current data proves this is wrong. You aren't ugly. You are just posturally deformed. It is called craniofacial dystrophy. And the number one cause? You are breathing through your mouth. Today, Dr. AI explains how to reverse the damage and sharpen your jawline naturally. The science, the tongue scaffold. Here's the mechanics. Your upper jaw, the maxilla, is not fixed. It is malleable. Nature designed your tongue to act as a scaffold. It is supposed to rest on the roof of your mouth, pushing the bones outward and forward. But when you breathe through your mouth, your tongue drops down. Without that support, gravity pulls your face down. Your face becomes narrow, your eyes droop, and your chin recedes. Doctors call this adenoid face. The check. Where is your tongue right now? Let's run a diagnostic right now. Don't move. Where is your tongue? Is it resting on the roof of your mouth? Or is it floating in the middle? Or worse, pressing against your bottom teeth? If it is not on the roof, you are actively making your jawline worse every single minute. We need to fix this immediately. Step 1, correct tongue posture. The internet calls this mewing, but most people do it wrong. They just push the tip. That is useless. You need to engage the posterior third, the back of the tongue. Say the word sing or king. Hold that NG sound. Feel the back of your tongue hit the roof. Now swallow and create a suction hold. Vacuum seal your tongue to the roof. This is your new resting position. Step 2, nocturnal correction. You can't control your tongue when you sleep. If you wake up with a dry mouth, you are destroying your jawline for 8 hours every night. The latest data from top neurobiologists suggests using mouth tape. A small piece of medical tape keeps your lips sealed, forcing nasal breathing and keeping the tongue up while you sleep. This is not an overnight fix. But bones remodel under stress, Wolff's law. Keep your mouth shut. Keep your tongue up. In 6 months, you won't recognize your own profile. Subscribe to 5-Minute Dr. AI to upgrade your biology. Analysis complete.